Shown in this video is a SolidWorks rendering of a planetary gear set, where inputs 1 and 2 are from an air engine and electric motor. The sun and planet gears are our components for input. It is important to note that the 3 planets and 1 sun gear have 24 teeth. These are positioned along a coaxial shaft. The purpose of the coaxial shaft is to receive both inputs on the same face of the gear train. The planet carrier will be manufactured via CNC milling of aluminum stock, as this part is specific to our design. While manufacturing, we will pay close attention to rounding the edges of the teeth for low stress concentration and easy meshing. The ring carrier connects the ring gear to a 1/2 inch output shaft. Said ring gear will rotate on 3 bearings that will also hold it in place. Polycarbonate washers will be used between the planet carrier and planet gear interfaces to reduce friction. A second spur gear will be used to connect the outer coaxial shaft to the electric motor input to prevent interference between input sources. The base, included to show theorized mounting of the assembly, is square and will hold the gear set in place. For future manufacturing, we have allowed space on both faces of the base in order to mount additional components for the air engine. Since these dimensions are not readily available to us at this point, they have been left out. A final thing to note is that the ring gear is 72 teeth. Doing the math on this allows for the ideal output speed. A final representation of the gear set is shown.